Roll-Off Solutions is your premier provider of efficient waste management services. Renowned for our dedication to excellence and customer satisfaction, Roll-Off Solutions is your trusted partner for dumpster rentals in Nocona, Texas. Whether you're undertaking a residential cleanout, a home renovation, or managing a commercial construction project, Roll-Off Solutions ensures your waste disposal needs are met with unparalleled professionalism and efficiency. At Roll-Off Solutions, we understand the importance of prompt and reliable waste management. That's why we offer a comprehensive range of dumpster sizes to accommodate projects of any scale. Our dumpsters are designed to handle all types of waste, ensuring your cleanup process is seamless and stress-free. With a commitment to superior service and extensive industry experience, Roll-Off Solutions is your go-to source for all your waste management needs. What sets Roll-Off Solutions apart is our unwavering dedication to excellence and customer satisfaction. Our team of experienced professionals is committed to providing top-tier service and ensuring your waste disposal experience is efficient and hassle-free. For all your dumpster rental needs in Nocona, Texas, contact Roll-Off Solutions today at 94053185150 or visit our website at www.roswaste.com. Dumpster Rental Nocona TX. Experience the difference with Roll-Off Solutions, your trusted partner for efficient roll-off solutions.